Carbon monoxide poisoning. What do you know about that? Carbon monoxide. What is carbon monoxide? It's a gas, right? It's carbon monoxide is actually, it's like carbon dioxide, but instead it's just one oxygen, so it's CO. So we know that exposure to high levels of carbon monoxide can be fatal, right? Even in a short amount of time, which can happen if someone turns on their car in the garage and just sit there, so the car is giving off carbon monoxide.
I was just saying this would happen to my friend. He killed her and her parents. He killed her parents in her sleep, and he killed her, and she was walking back down the stairs.
Because of the car running?
She had her car running in the garage.
Ooh, yeah, I've heard of that too. Yeah. So the carbon monoxide, if it's on, the car is running that long, of course the gases will fill up the house eventually. A lot of times it happens if a water heater goes bad. That's another thing that can give off carbon monoxide. Huh? No, well, not instantly. It has to. The carbon monoxide has to be a certain percentage of the atmosphere. So if you're enclosed and there's not much else there, then the carbon monoxide will take over.
Is it true that it's only 21% oxygen?
Normally, yeah. So the thing with carbon monoxide is, what is it that is fatal about it? What do you think it's doing to the body?
It takes the oxygen out of your blood, or it starves the oxygen from your red blood cells.
Yeah. So basically, so we know what oxygen is supposed to do. Oxygen is supposed to bind to what? The iron on your hemoglobin. But in the presence of carbon monoxide, the iron prefers carbon monoxide to oxygen. So even if you have the same amount of oxygen and carbon monoxide, there's kind of the iron is going to prefer to bind carbon monoxide than oxygen. So that means all of the irons are going to have carbon monoxide attached instead of oxygen. And that means what? Now oxygen is no longer being transported to your body cells. So your body cells are no longer able to what?
Function.
But specifically. But specifically produce ATP. So the cells need glucose and oxygen to make ATP. Carbon monoxide doesn't make ATP. So that means your cells now are not able to produce this energy that they need. So the cells die. Okay? So it prevents oxygen delivery to body cells is basically what's happening.